So imagine this. You are reading something online and suddenly a question arises in your mind. You open a new tab, go to Google, do a research and come back. That whole process is going to be changed completely now. Comet is an AI-powered web browser developed by Perplexity. It's available for both Android and iPhones and it is completely free. Let me show you how it works. First, sign in using your Perplexity account. At the top, there is a profile icon. Tap on it. You will see bookmarks, history, and other settings which you generally see in web browsers. This is how you add bookmarks in this browser. Go to the three-dot menu next to the address bar and add as favorite. Now let's go to any website. Then tap on the three-dot menu next to the address bar. You will see an option called Summarize. When you click on it, the entire web page gets summarized. You can even ask follow-up questions without even mentioning the context. The browser understands the context from the web page you are reading. This will save us a lot of time. Every interaction you have with Comet gets saved as a chat inside Perplexity. You can always come back to Perplexity and pick up where you left off. If you want the conversations to be temporary, just open an incognito tab and browse. Your queries will not be saved as chats. On the Android version of the app, you get one extra feature. You can add widgets like clock, top sites and news to the homepage. This is one of those apps where, once you get used to it, you won't go back to regular web browsers. Try this out and let me know if you like it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.